why on earth would I make my own yogurt when you can buy it at the store? You can end up with a much healthier product, less toxic chemicals and additives, for actually a better price. This doesn't take much of my time. It takes about an hour of my time, and I can end up with 4 1-quart or 32-ounce mason jars of a healthy, organic, low-sugar yogurt for only $1.67 per jar. Now, I understand you may not believe in or tolerate milk products, but when it comes to dairy products, yogurt is high in probiotics and healthy bacteria for your body, so it is quite good for you and has many benefits. Supply-wise, you don't need a whole lot either. You need a couple pots, a food thermometer, 4 32-ounce or 1-quart mason jars, a gallon of organic milk. I use whole milk because a lot of the healthy nutrition and better fats is in the fat content. And you need a starter yogurt. I get organic, 6-ounce container. You can get either vanilla or plain. Because it's organic milk, you are exposing your body to so many less toxic pesticides, chemicals, fertilizers, antibiotics, hormones, and you get much higher amounts of antioxidants and healthy omega-3 fats. And then the other supplies you need are something that you can strain your yogurt in, a little bit of sugar, I use organic, little vanilla, and you have to incubate your yogurt, so you can just use a simple cooler. So I bring my gallon of organic milk slowly up to 190 degrees, and then I keep it there at that temperature, constantly stirring for just 10 minutes and shut it off. I'm also put a couple inches of water in a pot and get this boiling with my jars and all my lids to sterilize them for just 10 minutes and shut it off. Back in a minute. Now that my milk has cooled down to 120 degrees, you add the rest of your ingredients, which is a couple teaspoons of vanilla, I make my own, your starter yogurt, which is 6 ounces, and then your amount of sugar that you want to use. I'm using a 1/4 cup today because my starter yogurt is actually sweetened in vanilla. But if I was using plain, I might use up to 1/3 cup of sugar. It's totally up to you. You can use more according to your taste, but I love the very delicate sweetness of it made this way. So after I added those ingredients to the milk, I strained all of my yogurt. You wouldn't have to, but it just makes it a lot smoother. I splattered mine a bit, and so that's okay, it happens. But you strain it and put it into your 4 jars and put on your lids tightly and head to the incubator. Last step, I've prepared my incubator, meaning a cooler, that I filled with hot water. You get it to 120 degrees, put in all your jars. I like to fill it up to the rim. I'll fill it a little more. And then close the lid, and I'm going to forget about it for 8 hours. Don't really forget about it. Remind yourself what time to come get these. So I start it in the morning, and then later tonight I'll take them out, put them straight in the fridge, and in 24 to 48 hours I'll pop them open and enjoy. They'll stay in the fridge good for quite some time. If you don't open it, my jars can stay in the fridge for about a month. Once you open it, they're good for a week or 2, and enjoy. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.